All right, let's take a look now at some budget-related stories just ahead of the union budget. In fact, sources tell ET now that government is working on a proposal to provide some tax relief to taxpayers. It is also expected to continue with the CAPEX target that was announced in the interim budget. Let's go across to Prakash Pradarshi, my colleague, for more details. Prakash, what else are you gathering? And the government is expected to largely continue with the CAPEX target that was announced in the interim budget. What's the reason for that?
Yes, we are learning from our sources that the government is likely to provide some relief to the taxpayers in the upcoming union budget. We are given to understand that new tax regime is likely to be made more attractive with the announcement of some relief measures. Sources are informing that a new tax slab may be announced under the ambit of new tax regime in order to provide benefit to the maximum taxpayers. Along with that, relief is also expected for the taxpayers earning up to ₹5 lakh in a year. Along with that, limit of standard deduction is likely to be increased beyond ₹50,000. Along with that, the overall tax exemption with all benefit could be increased to ₹9 to 9.5 lakh. So these are the specific announcements which are expected in the forthcoming union budget. Now, coming on to a capital expenditure target for the financial year 2025, sources are informing that there are no major changes expected when it comes to capital expenditure target for the financial year 2025, and the government is likely to continue with the CAPEX target announced in the interim budget. Some minor tweaks are expected based on the ministry's demand. As you are aware, that the government has announced allocation of ₹11.11 lakh crore capital expenditure target in the interim budget, which is likely to be continued. Some specific sectors like railways, road transport and highways, rural development, housing are expected to get higher allocation. And despite higher allocation to this specific sector, sources are informing that the government will maintain its fiscal discipline roadmap for the financial year 2024, and beyond that, the government will stick to 5.1% fiscal deficit target or even lower for the financial year 2025, and 4.5% fiscal deficit target by the financial year 2026.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.